Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope that you all are fine and safe and sound at your home. I am your Geo teacher. This is your Geo video 1 for the month of June. Today we are going to start our new topic from our Geo book, which is Sindh, and it is on page number 12 of your Geo book. First, you have to look at the map of Pakistan. This is the map of Pakistan, and you know that we have 4 provinces in Pakistan. The first one is KPK, the second is Balochistan, third is Punjab, and fourth is Sindh. We have 4 provinces in Pakistan. If you have any question in your paper that how many provinces in Pakistan, so you have to answer it that we have 4 provinces in Pakistan. And if you have question that name the provinces of Pakistan, so the name of the provinces of Pakistan are KPK, Punjab, Balochistan and Sindh. KPK, Punjab, Balochistan and Sindh. These 4 are the provinces of Pakistan. Now look at the direction. We have 4 directions: north, west, east and south. These are the 4 directions: north, west, east and south. These are the 4 directions. The name of the provinces of Pakistan are KPK, Balochistan, Punjab and Sindh. KPK, Punjab, Balochistan and Sindh, and the 4 directions are north, west, east and south. We learned the topic KPK and the Punjab in our previous videos, and our today's topic is Sindh, the 3rd province of Pakistan. Sindh is the 3rd province of Pakistan, and we are going to start our topic. We will read about the facts and their major cities of Sindh. Let's start our topic. The topic is Sindh. It is situated in the southeast of Pakistan. It is situated in the southeast of Pakistan. Look again to the map of Pakistan that we have 4 directions: north, west, east, south. This is the north of Pakistan. This is the east of Pakistan. This is the west of Pakistan, and this is the south of Pakistan. Sindh is situated in the southeast of Pakistan. So there is south, there is east, and Sindh is situated in the southeast of Pakistan. And also known as Babul Islam. Sindh is also known as Babul Islam. Sindh is the name of the province in Pakistan, and it is also known as Babul Islam. Major cities. There are some major cities in Sindh: Hyderabad, Sakkar, Thatta, Khairpur and Shikarpur. Hyderabad, Sakkar, Thatta, Khairpur and Shikarpur are important cities of Sindh. Hyderabad is the second biggest city of the province Sindh. Hyderabad is the second biggest city of the province. So as you read that Hyderabad is the second biggest city of the province. So which is the first biggest city of the province? Yes, Karachi is the first biggest city of the province Sindh. Karachi is the first biggest city of the province Sindh. Now you have to open your book, page number 12, and we are going to read the topic Sindh from our book. Let's start reading, and you have to underline the words which I said to you, and also underline the lines or Highlight the words. Sindh. It is situated in the southeast of Pakistan. It is situated in the southeast of Pakistan. Underline the line. And also known as Babul Islam. Underline Babul Islam. Its capital is Karachi. The capital of province Sindh is Karachi. The capital city of province Sindh is Karachi, which is also the biggest city of the country. Karachi is the first biggest city of the province Sindh, and it is also the biggest city of the country. And which is our country? Pakistan. Underline. Third desert in Sindh is the largest desert of Pakistan. Third desert in Sindh is the largest desert of Pakistan. Underline the line. Look at the picture. This is the picture of third desert. Third desert in the Sindh is the largest desert of Pakistan. It is the picture of third desert. And is situated near Indian border. And is situated near Indian border. Which is situated near Indian border? Yes, third desert in Sindh is situated near Indian border. Next topic, major cities. The major cities of Sindh. Hyderabad, Sakkar, Thatta, Khairpur and Shikarpur are important cities of Sindh. Hyderabad is the second biggest city of the province. Hyderabad is the second biggest city of the province, and the first biggest city is Karachi. It has many historical places and industries. Sindh has many historical places and industries. Landmark. The tomb of Quaid-e-Azam is the famous landmark of Karachi and Sindh. टॉम कहते हैं मज़ार को. The tomb of Quaid-e-Azam is the famous landmark of Karachi and Sindh. टॉम ऑफ Quaid-e-Azam का जो मज़ार है वो कराची और सिंध का फेमस लैंडमार्क है. Look at the picture. This is the picture of tomb of Quaid-e-Azam. ये पिक्चर जो है ये Quaid-e-Azam के मज़ार की है, which is the famous landmark of Karachi and Sindh. क्योंकि ये जो टॉम है ये कराची में है और ये कराची और सिंध दोनों का फेमस लैंडमार्क है. अंडरलाइन. द टॉम ऑफ Quaid-e-Azam इज़ द फेमस लैंडमार्क ऑफ कराची एंड सिंध. So this is the topic for today. I hope that you will understand this half topic of province Sindh. और इससे आगे जो हमारा अदर टॉपिक रह गया है उसे हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.